Have you ever felt like your cat knew they upset you, but had no idea how to say sorry? Cats don't apologize with words. They do it through small, quiet behaviors that most people completely miss. Today, you'll discover the hidden ways your cat may be trying to make peace with you. And stay until the end, because the last sign is the one that causes the most misunderstandings. The first sign is keeping their distance. After knocking something over or being scolded, many cats won't run away. Instead, they'll sit a few feet away, avoiding direct eye contact. It may look like they're ignoring you, but they're actually trying to calm the situation. In cat language, staring can be a challenge. Looking away is often a peaceful signal that says, "I don't want any trouble." The second sign is staying close without demanding attention. Have you noticed your cat following you from room to room but never coming too close? That's often their way of reconnecting without making you uncomfortable. They're giving you space while quietly saying, "I'm still here." The third sign is the slow blink. When your cat slowly closes their eyes while looking at you, they're showing trust. It's one of the safest ways they can tell you they no longer feel tension between you. If you slowly blink back, many cats immediately relax. The fourth sign is rubbing against you. A head bump or gentle rub isn't just affection. Cats have scent glands on their face, and rubbing transfers their scent onto you. It's their way of saying, "You're part of my family and I want everything to feel normal again." The fifth sign is purring after a stressful moment. Most people think purring always means happiness, but that's not true. Cats also purr when they're nervous or trying to comfort themselves. If your cat comes to you purring after you've been upset, they may simply be trying to help both of you feel calm again. The sixth sign is bringing you their favorite toy. If your cat quietly leaves a toy near you after a tense moment, don't ignore it. They're sharing something valuable with you. It's often an invitation to reconnect and return to happier moments together. The seventh sign is grooming you. A few gentle licks on your hand or arm may not seem important, but grooming is something cats usually reserve for those they trust most. It's a simple way of strengthening your bond after stress. The eighth sign is sitting on your lap. Some cats climb into your lap after a disagreement, not because they've forgotten what happened, but because closeness helps them feel safe. They're choosing comfort instead of conflict. And finally, the sign almost everyone misunderstands. When a cat rolls over and shows their belly after you've scolded them, many people think it's an invitation for belly rubs. Often it isn't. The belly is their most vulnerable area. Showing it is a sign of trust, not permission to touch. The best response is to speak gently, blink slowly, and let your cat decide what happens next. Cats don't apologize like people do. They apologize with trust, patience, and quiet gestures that are easy to miss. Once you understand these signals, you'll see that your cat has probably been trying to make peace with you all along. Now tell me in the comments, has your cat ever done one of these things after a little disagreement? I'd love to hear your story, and it might help another cat owner understand their furry friend a little better. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tips that help you build a stronger bond with your cat.